Hello, my name is Michael David Lipkin and this is my wife Ivory. Welcome to our presentation of our Linear City Concepts model. We've been using this model since about the year 2000. This is an aerial view of our model. My wife made the animals and I made the buildings. I also set out the zones and establish their relationships with each other. This farmhouse has solar panels on its roof, as does the barn. There's also a windmill. The bison belong in the wilderness area, and we set aside a corner for that. This is a wall greenhouse that's part of the commercial greenhouse zone. This zone contains vertical farms, underground greenhouses, lath structures, close fields, and a man working on the solar thermal trough system. There's even a taxi that's pulled by a horse. We even have a solar-powered water tower with a solar photovoltaic ring around it. This is a wall greenhouse restaurant bridge. Proximity power is the most important power of choice for building linear cities. Our linear city network megalopolis stretches across the entire United States. It's a very walkable city across its width, but it stretches for 30 to 40,000 miles. This view of the shuttle train system is part of our efficient sequencing idea. Efficient sequencing allows us to shrink the footprint of the city. Gravity power can take us from point A to point B with very low energy cost, especially in places where the city is very dense. And these gravity ramps can be more than just a way to get from A to B. They can be places to cascade flower beds and move water and power. Buses will be very important in this futuristic city because we've dramatically lowered the need for automobiles. They will even drop us off very close to where we want to be. This is a view of a shuttle train system that's elevated, and it will even go inside buildings to drop you off. This is a view of our park road showing part of the loop road system. This high-speed bus moves about 150 miles an hour along the heavy industry zone. This amphitheater is part of a school, and its buildings are useful after regular school hours for public meeting places. This is another view of the park zone, showing the residential zone in the background. This is a view of the university system, and the students that attend this university have easy access to the shuttle train network. We believe it's important to metamorphosize existing cities, transform them, and recycle their components. And the shuttle train network seen here can be part of the system that helps us do that. This is an exchangeway system where you can connect to many kinds of transit options, airplanes, buses, bicycles, gravity ramps, etc. This is a view of the heavy industry zone, and it shows the hospital. The hospital has a helicopter platform on its roof. It also has a large solar collector called a transpired solar collector in the form of a big H on the front of the building. And this H is pointing to the south. You can see it easier here. Helicopters will be very important for moving patients as well as moving things in this futuristic city. Recycling is very important in this future, and trains can help us do that. We can literally recycle our old cities and transform them into the new linear cities of the future. This is a view of the permaculture zone where the people live underground.